what are the common factors of 12 and 18? Okay, so here we have a new word, common factors. We know that factors are basically two numbers that we can multiply to get the product of 12, or we can find factors by finding divisors of 12 and 18. Now let's do it in a way that we can apply both the idea of multiplying to get the factor and find the divisors and to get the factor. And then let's see what numbers are common between those factors. The factors of 12. So I know that 1 times 12 is equal to 12. 2 times 6 is equal to 12. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. So 4 times 3 is equal to 12. There's no 5 times, there's nothing here that'll equal 12. So I'm not gonna write 5. I can write 6 times 2 is equal to 12. Just a quick note again, the moment you start seeing some things repeat, like here, where you have 3 times 4 is equal to 12, and then we jump to 4 times 3 is equal to 12, it's probably a good time to just kind of stop for a second and see if you are already done finding all the factors. So in this case, I found 1 and 12 is a factor of 12, 2 and 6 is a factor of 12. When I get to these repeating ones, and these numbers again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, when you start seeing these patterns, just make a mental note and check yourself and see if you're just repeating the factors. You don't need these because they're already mentioned here and here. Okay? So now we can write the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Now let's find the factors of 18. And instead of doing multiplying to find it like I did here I just did multiplying, let's do division. So I can say 18 divided by 1 is equal to 18. 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. 18 divided by 4, can't do that, so we'll skip it. 5 also can't do that. 6, I can do 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. But now, once again, that mental note of, okay, I'm seeing these two things are repeating. Okay, so maybe let's just stop for a second and see, do we have all the factors of 18? And I think we do. So what do we have here? Factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6. And don't forget this 18. 18 is a factor of 18 because you can divide it by 1. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 6, 18. Before 18, remember we also have this 9. 9 times 2 is 18. Okay, so now we have the factors of 12 and we have the factors of 18. So the question is, what are the common factors? So what are the numbers that are both in factors of 12 and both factors of 18? So let's see. So we see that we have 1 as a factor that's in both of 12 and 18. 2 is a factor in both of them. 3 is a factor. 6 is a factor in both of them, but not 4, not 12, not 9 or 18. But let's just put some labels here. So 1 works, 2 works, 3 works, 6 works, and those are the factors. Those are the common factors of 12 and 18. So the common factors are 1, 2, 3, and 6. Those are the numbers that appear on both of these lists. Okay, and that's the common factors of 12 and 18. That means these numbers can go into both 12 and into 18. And we're going to know in the future lesson why that's important to find. Like, there's definitely a reason why these numbers are important, and why that we can put it into 12 and we could also put it into 18. There's a very, very important reason why that we need to know how to do this.